Hey there folks, it's Yaken here from Training Ground. So welcome back to another unboxing and first impression video. So today's device we are featuring is the Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Now this guy here is already available to be purchased. If I'm not wrong, it's 199 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so we are going to check it out, and let's check out the side packaging first. So it has a 5 atmosphere water resistant, professional workout analysis, sleep monitoring, all day SpO2 and heart rate monitoring, on risk running courses. And then the other side, it tells you it has a crystal clear full AMOLED screen, up to 16 days battery life, easy detachable straps, and 100 plus exercise modes. Okay, that is all done. Let's just unbox it. Okay, I know you guys are going to be bored listening to me explaining too much of the product features. You guys just want to watch the product being unboxed. Alright, so let me just stick this back inside. So there's a pull tab, so you remove this sides here and then you just pull it out, and there you go, you get your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. So let us just go and take the Smart Band 8 out of the way. And so basically this box over here, there's nothing inside, and over here you get your charging cable. Alright, the magnetic strip pins charging cable. Yeah. Okay, so basically there's something inside here. It's the manual guidebook, so I'm not going to waste any more time with that. I need the charger, but right now we need to unwrap this guy over here. Oh. Ooh. Man, that is really tight glue they have. Okay, so we have open it up. Man, looks nice. Okay. Oh, feels like a pin, you know. Yeah, the strap locking system feels subtle, nice. Okay, so when they did the launching, they mentioned that actually the body of this Smart Band 8 is inspired as a race circuit. Yeah, so that's what they say. Okay, and let's check out the sensor itself. Look at that, look amazing, very nice. Okay, so you detach it by pressing the button over here. Yep, I agree, it's very easy to detach and attach back as well. This mechanism is really awesome, very easy, very convenient. So if you are someone that loves to change the straps on your Smart Band, this is quite convenient. Alright, so I'm unable to start it unless I put the charger itself onto it, but nonetheless, let's continue to talk. Okay, the display, definitely you do notice there's slight curvature on the edge of it, so making it like a 2.5D display. That's nice. And the resin material is very slippery a bit. Yeah, but I kind of like the feel on it. It's soft and slippery a little bit. Yeah, something is very, it felt very nice. Okay, so how is the ergonomics of the watch itself? Smart Band, not watch. I know some of you are gonna be alright, not bad. I think I could wear it a little bit more tighter. Okay, not bad. Okay, very ergonomics, felt very light. Yeah, it's really light. And the mechanism from the strap here, the locking, I kind of like it. But because I told you it's very slippery, yeah, hence the smart band itself, you see, is whenever I'm trying to lock it and I'm trying to slide it back down, the strap from the other side just want to go back down, so making it trying to lock it is a little bit, when you want to try to lock it tight, is a little bit difficult. Okay, so that is something I want to nitpick a little bit over here, but nonetheless they feel really nice. They are, yeah, really nice. Okay, so if that's the first impression and the unboxing for you guys to watch, basically I'm going to do a full review for it. Okay, but maybe it will be coming up in 2 weeks time. Alright, so hopefully you guys love this kind of unboxing and first impression video. Okay, before I'm going to end this video, let me just try to start up. Alright, so I have done the software updates and so much more, so let's go and check out the display itself. Very fluid. Look at that, every touch is very responsive and it's pretty great. Not bad. But anyway, you definitely notice the bezel itself. Look at that. Yeah, bezel is quite huge though. But nonetheless, not bad. I think if you are going to purchase the Xiaomi Smart Band 8, it's gonna be a great choice, especially in Malaysia. And if you just need something to just maybe to check out your time, I think this thing is pretty much a good investment. And if you sometimes want to track your fitness as well, yeah, this guy is going to be perfect because it does like heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, your blood oxygen as well. Most of it does well, and you don't have to pay such a premium smartwatch price. And what is offering here on the Smart Band 8 is truly tremendous. Alright, but I can't say more because I just only unboxed it and just done the setup and so on. So hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of a video. Please, new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. Really helps us to get more items to do content for you guys to watch. And those who loves to browse around the social media, and check out TrendGround's social media. We are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are on TikTok as well. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I'll come back again with the full review of this Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Alright, peace.